Thank you so much, CX Insight and UX Indonesia, for the opportunity to talk about human-centered artificial intelligence. But we are also human, meaning that we both intentionally and unintentionally shape every facet of machine learning, because we're also the ones who actually select data sources. So we're also the one determine what's the evaluation metrics. So is it accurate? Is it not accurate? So we're actually the one defining those evaluation metrics. And all of us are affected by the results. On a general level, this is how machine learning works. It's just like probably a fancy diagram of how it works. So deep learning tries to understand and learn by examples or learn from data, and try to observe the different features and functionalities for each of these data. So as we know, machine learning is already driving everything from things many of are used to, like recommendation engines. So if you're using Spotify or if you're using Netflix, all of those applications are using machine learning to enable good experiences to specific users. So their interest is to relatively see the full spectrum of how human interacts with artificial intelligence, from being able to support product teams to build AI, to understanding people's everyday experiences with AI. Because we know that a lot of applications now are incorporating artificial intelligence. So it's very critical for us to also observe how does the user experience get affected by those new components added to these applications. So this guidebook has around 6 chapters, which covers how do we identify user needs, to acknowledging that our ML models will fail, so that we can actually design graceful paths forwards for our specific users in spite of some of those key failures. These are some of the key concepts and key questions that would drive understanding of user needs and defining our success. So first is identifying which user problems is AI uniquely positioned to solve. So this is critical because sometimes people tend to perceive that if there is a problem, it would always be AI as a solution.